Hey guys, so come with me to Pricesmart for the first time. So it is Sunday and I decided to go to Pricesmart with my friends for the first time. So yeah, excitement, I forgot go on. First time riding escalator. Yeah, nervous, but yeah. But so guys, to get our cards, we had to go through a whole thing. Like me, literally have to go up to somebody and ask them for the cards when them finish. I know, like it was crazy, but yeah. So it was it was like a really packed day. But this is me doing my fit check. We found that cheese balls. Women they kind of say yeah, me want to try it. Girls over there trying to figure out what they want to buy. Me over here literally picking out a cake for my dad because he loves cheesecake and tomorrow is his birthday. But yeah, landed long guys. I don't know what did I keep in a price mark, but placed it full. But yeah, this is us, just having a little fit chat moment because we're all wearing the same thing. But yeah, thank you for coming with me.